Hey, today I'm unboxing the Gravastar Venus. I was sent this speaker to check out from Gravastar. The Venus is their smallest speaker, they also have a bigger one. I think it's priced around $50 to $80, euros, pounds. I'm not exactly sure about the price. I love the packaging, honestly. The sci-fi theme and robotic theme they have going on is very unique. I don't think anyone else does something like this. So that's definitely cool to see. The unboxing experience is very nice for such a, I would say, not so well-known brand, right? Once you open the box, there is a little comic showing the speaker as a robot fighting some army or something, I'm not really sure. Get this little box with the manual and cable. Honestly, I was very surprised by the quality of the cable. I actually ended up using it with my phone for a while. It's quite nice. It's a textile cable and I like the angled USB-C port. The first time I picked up the speaker, I was honestly surprised by the weight of it. It's a pretty heavy speaker, which I think is a good thing since it talks about the quality of it. It's made of mostly metal with some plastic parts or rubber parts. And honestly, I was surprised by the heft of it, and it really felt solid, which is honestly really good. There is also this little thing on top, maybe for you to hang it off your bag or something like that.
Ready to pair.
The sound quality of the speaker is honestly pretty nice. I'm not an audiophile, I cannot give you a proper description. I will definitely say it's more bassy, but it sounds very good, and for the size of the speaker, it's honestly very surprising. It definitely has a lot of bass, and you can see the bass moving the back part of it. It definitely looks really cool. It's a cool product to check out if you're interested, and yeah, I have nothing really bad to say about it. The battery life is decent, the sound is good, and yeah, thank you for watching.